Hi guys! As someone has predicted, there will be a series of updates that will follow after the supposedly finale video I did months ago. Yep, did that first update, and now this is the second one. Anybody that knows me says I just can't help myself. This time, after doing some thinking, I decided to change the front door just to make it look like having this real home effect. The existing sliding door looked like a front door of a vacation home, or could be a great bedroom door that opens to a view of an ocean. Of course, this is our vacation home, but still, we wanted to have this real home effect, and this new door actually did its job. But you decide. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time. Bye for now.